I started collecting milk glass years ago. I loved its unique white shape and just how many things that I could find. I found a ton from Goodwill. I would say I've probably got 30 boxes full of it. It's an obsession of mine and I love it. Our dining room was actually a bedroom. We took out the closet and, kind of just went from there.
These days, you don't see people our age using, any kind of dining rooms. They use breakfast nooks or, little areas like that, but having a traditional dining room was just something that I really wanted and fits in really well with what we have going on.
Let's be honest, stuff is expensive. Home decor is very expensive. I love that Goodwill has such good quality pieces for me to choose from. I just have to be willing to look a little bit and put a little DIY spin on it.
This is our bar cart. It is an awesome accent piece that ties in really well to our traditional dining room.
I've been thrifting for years. I started before I was in high school because I had limited budget. Now in my 30s, we're still on a limited budget. So Goodwill keeps me, up to date with style. I don't have to go to the mall and pay full retail price. I can still look on trend and get inspiration just by shopping at Goodwill.